Hi everyone and welcome. Today we will be discussing about how to set up Shopify tax exempt orders. Now before we start, make sure you click the link below to get the best Shopify free trial and start your business with some exclusive bonuses. So first head over to your settings from your admin panel, bottom left side of your screen. Then you need to head over to tax and duties, and here is literally everything related to your regional settings of your tax. If you want to collect tax and if you want to add tax exempt on orders, you can do that as well. You can see charges, VAT on digital goods, charges, sales tax on shipping, and tax on products price and shipping rate. You can include that, and eventually it is going to be adding your tax exempt orders. And I hope this is going to be helping and hope this video was helpful. Finally, make sure to click the link in the description below to take advantage of our exclusive Shopify free trial to start your business right away.